Assalamu alaikum. I am Zulfikar Ali and I start is a lecture of Contract Act 1872. Today I read Void Contract and Voidable Contract. First of all, introduction. Introduction. A contract is an agreement which is enforceable at law. A contract consists two elements, an agreement and second, the agreement should be enforced at law. Next, void contract. Void contract according to section 2G Contract Act 1872. An agreement which is not enforceable at law is void contract. Number third, future of void contract. Future of void contract क्या है ये मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. Following are the future of void contract. Number 1, not enforceable by law. A void contract is not enforceable by law. Number 2, future of void contract, no legal right. A void contract create no legal right. Nature of contract, an agreement which is against the public policy or against any law. No compensation. No compensation can be paid to any party. नंबर 4 पर आता है एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वाइड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. वाइड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की एग्जाम्पल क्या है? एन एग्रीमेंट इज रिस्टेंट ऑफ मैरिज. नंबर 1 है एन एग्रीमेंट इज रिस्टेंट ऑफ ट्रेड. या कोई मैरिज या कोई कस्टम या वगैरह रस्म व रिवाज के ख़िलाफ़ हो तो वाइडेबल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कहलाता है. नंबर 6 पे आता है फ्यूचर ऑफ वाइडेबल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. Future of voidable contract. Following our future is voidable contract. Number 1, enforceable at the option of one party. It is enforceable at law at the option of one or more parties. Is next. Second, right of compensation. If the contract is revoked by a person rightfully, then he can also receive compensation. Number 4, voidable at option of party. Voidable at option of party. The contract is voidable at the option of party whose consent is caused. Number 5, nature of contract. A voidable contract is valid contract until avoided by the party having the right to avoid it. Once it's avoided, it's become void. नंबर 7 पे आता है इंस्टेंस ऑफ वाइड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. an agreement by person, unsound agreement by undue influence. Number 3, agreement by fraud, agreement by connivance, agreement by misrepresentation, agreement by minor. ये 6 इंस्टेंस है वाइड एबल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के जो मैंने आपको बता दिए। अब आते हैं डिफरेंट बिटवीन वाइड एबल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड वाइड एबल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। नंबर 1, as to enforceability. As to enforceability, a wide contract is not enforceable. A wide able contract is enforceable at the option of one or more parties. As to objection, any party can use the right of objection a wide contract. There is no party who can object the wide able contract. नंबर 3 पे as to compensation. In wide contract, compensation cannot be paid. And wideable compensation may be claimed in wideable contract. नंबर 4 पे आता है टाइम फैक्टर. A wide agreement is wide itself in the beginning. A wideable contract is valid unto that the time is when avoided. Legal effect. A wide contract has no legal effect. A wideable contract has legal effect. It is avoided. लास्ट में आता है नंबर 6, collateral agreement. A collateral agreement is wide contract. A collateral agreement is wideable contract, is not wide contract. That students, last is conclusion. Everybody is self conclusion. To conclude, I can say that contract is a legally binding agreement between the two or more persons by which right acquired is one party. More contract is not enforceable by law, while wideable contract is enforced at the option of one party. चलो दोस्तों, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें और मेरी वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि मैं आपको ऐसी दिलचस्प वीडियो बना के देता रहूं और आपके नॉलेज में इजाफ़ा करता रहूं। ये थी आज की हमारी वीडियो और आगे कल की